In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use scroll bars in Microsoft Word and how to navigate scroll bars in Microsoft Word. If you are working with a long Microsoft Word document, scroll bars make it easier to move through the pages and quickly reach different parts of your document. When you open a Word document, you will usually see a vertical scroll bar on the right side of the window. This scroll bar allows you to move up and down through your document. To move through the document, place your mouse pointer over the scroll bar on the right side. You will see a scroll box, sometimes called the scroll thumb. Click and hold this box, then drag it upward or downward. Dragging the scroll box upward moves you toward the beginning of the document. Dragging it downward moves you toward the end of the document. You can also click directly above or below the scroll box. Clicking above it moves the document toward the previous pages, while clicking below it moves the document toward the following pages. Another way to navigate is by using the small arrow buttons at the top and bottom of the vertical scroll bar. Click the up arrow to move upward through the document, or click the down arrow to move downward. You can also use the mouse wheel to scroll through the document. Move your mouse over the document and scroll the wheel upward or downward to navigate through the pages. If your document is wider than the Word window, you may also see a horizontal scroll bar along the bottom of the document area. This allows you to move from left to right. To use the horizontal scroll bar, click and drag the scroll box toward the left or right. This is useful when viewing wide tables, large images, or documents with content that extends beyond the visible page area. The scroll bars can also help you understand your current position in a long document. The size of the scroll box gives you an idea of how much of the document is currently visible compared with the entire document. A smaller scroll box generally means the document is longer. When navigating through a long document, you can combine the scroll bar with the document view to quickly locate the section you need. Drag the vertical scroll box until you are close to the area you want. Then continue scrolling until you reach the correct page. If you accidentally move too far, simply drag the scroll box back in the opposite direction, or use the mouse wheel to make smaller adjustments. And that's how you can use and navigate the scroll bars in Microsoft Word. The vertical scroll bar helps you move up and down, while the horizontal scroll bar helps you move from side to side when necessary. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,